Hello guys, so in this video we will discuss that how to disable the widgets from block editor and install the classic WordPress widget. As I have got many questions from my employees and my students that they are facing the problems in new block editor widget and they are familiar with the classic editor widget. So I have decided to make a video on this. So it is simple only. We have to just add one single line of code in the functions.php file. In this video, I will discuss that whole in detail. So first, we will look at this. We will go to appearance and go to widget. So as you are seeing that this whole is a WordPress block editor widget, right? Now they want to know that how to install the classic editor widget. So for that, we have to add just one code. This is the code we have to add in functions.php file. This code will be available in the description area also. So we will copy this code, then we will go to theme editor. Then here we will click on functions.php file. Afterwards, we will scroll down at the bottom of functions.php. There we will paste this code and we will update our file. As you will add this code, automatically you will see that your block editor widget has been removed and our classic editor widget has been come up. So go to widgets. And yeah, see, your whole classic editor widgets has been come up. So it is a simple line of code. I will given the code in the description. Also in future, if you have any kind of doubt regarding the website development or digital marketing, or you want to discuss any kind of ideas or startup ideas or how to boost your business, feel free to contact me. I will put my contact number also in the description. Thank you so much for your valuable time. See you soon in my next video.